Hi everyone, I'm Gabe Sanchez and this is Blues Wireless TV. Today we have the pleasure of having Brandon Satcham on the show. Brandon, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, how are you?
I'm great as well. So, I hear you've been working on an interesting project that you just posted to Hackster. Can you tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind it?
Yeah, so I've been working from home for a long time, and over the course of the last year and a half, I noticed as more and more people were working from home that we went through these phases of the COVID pandemic where everybody was just sort of doing their Zoom happy hours early on and enjoying the work from home life and virtual time with friends and coworkers. And over time, as we all sort of got tired of it, I think the reality settled in that the work from home life sometimes can be the always connected life, right? And I noticed it for myself, especially, that I was going through days where the constant barrage of email notifications and text notifications on my watch and the horrible, awful woodblock sound effect from Slack were just persistent throughout my day. And not just my working hours, but the evening, nights, weekend hours as well. And so I really wanted to try to leverage technology to monitor me and my own stress levels and figure out a way to be able to be notified or interrupted when I needed to sort of take a break, take a deep breath, chill out, walk away.
So what did you do to solve this problem?
I actually started with a polar Bluetooth monitor. I actually have one of these right here. It's a little band that actually captures my heart rate over time. And what it's doing is it's actually sending my heart rate to a Bluetooth connected device. It's an Adafruit Feather Sense device that has a Bluetooth monitor on it. There's also a microphone, temperature, humidity sensor, etc. And it's actually talking to the polar heart rate monitor and reading those values, and it's sending those to the cloud through the Blues Wireless note card. The note card is a very simple, small cellular IoT data pump that is designed to just capture data easily, send it up to the cloud and to your ultimate destination. And so what I did on the other end was, once I actually get that data into NoteHub, I'm sending it out to a dashboard that I built using modern web technologies like Svelte, and it's all hosted in Azure. So I can actually see my heart rate over time. But what's doubly interesting here is I also have alerts set up to where if my heart rate goes over a certain level, or if it gets too loud in my room because I'm on a very tense phone call where people are yelling at each other, it'll actually send me a text. Maybe a little bit ironic that I'm texting myself to tell me to calm down, but it actually seems to work. Like, I'll get that text, and typically it'll say something like, take a deep breath, walk away for a little bit, take a walk, and I'll just chill out, calm down, take a deep breath, walk away, whatever it might be. And so that set of technologies actually works pretty well to actually help me manage this work from home life.
Sounds interesting. Can you tell us if there's anything that's unique or different about this project?
Yeah, actually, one thing that I hadn't mentioned yet is, because this is health related data, I thought it would be kind of interesting to also use a new feature in the note card, which is end-to-end encryption. So I can actually, using the device itself, provide my own AES 256 like strong encryption key. And when I send that health data to the note card, it encrypts it so that when it sends it through the NoteHub cloud service, literally no one but me can pull it out the other side and decrypt it before storage. And it's an interesting, powerful feature. A lot of tools don't have that. And so it's sort of a nice way of showing that when you're building an IoT application with PII or other sensitive data that you would like to just make sure that no one else can see at any point in the process, you can use that capability. That's pretty cool.
Well, Brandon, on behalf of myself and the viewers, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by.
Yeah, great. Thanks for having me. It was fun.
Next up, we find out which is more secure, Fort Knox or the note card.